Are you looking for a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time? Well, look no further than Earn Just Reading in 1 hour. With this innovative platform, you can earn money by simply reading articles and documents online. It's as easy as signing up, selecting the articles you want to read, and completing them within an hour. You'll be paid based on the number of articles you read, and you can choose to cash out your earnings at any time. Not only is this a great way to make some extra money, but it's also a fantastic opportunity to expand your knowledge and learn new things. With a wide range of articles available on a variety of topics, you're sure to find something that interests you. I'll demonstrate and teach you how to do just that. First and foremost, today's methods are entirely free and successful everywhere you go. Secondly, you learn everything you need to know to get started on the process, including all necessary information and a step-by-step strategy so you can start earning right away. You'll also see exactly how to do it after watching the video. I want you to have a look at this before I walk you through the step-by-step method, since it will demonstrate the potential earnings. You may earn a lot of money just by reading about this opportunity, and I'll explain how it works in detail. You don't need any prior experience, technical expertise, or credentials to take advantage of it. I want you to visit voices.com. As you can see, it is pretty famous and has been featured in GoDaddy, Microsoft, and so many more. Look at this $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes. We just calculated that, on the upper end, will require an hour and 45 minutes, and that will consistently make $1,000 on the smallest fix. So if we divide $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, we'll make $1,000. This is crucial, and I want you to pay close attention because many people do it incorrectly, and as a result they don't make any money, and I don't want that to happen to you. So first and foremost, I'll show you how to do it, but you must watch the entire video because I'll show you a few tactics and how to join up, get accepted, and make more money even if you spend the least amount of time. I'll demonstrate how they appear so that once you've selected your preferred project, they'll give you the script, templates, book, and all of the words that you'll read word for word, and you'll have to record your voice. They'll pay you based on the length of the project. You can do it for 20 minutes, an hour, or however long it takes because these platforms have endless work. The second question I received was, what if I don't have a microphone? Because all you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, can use your Android phone, you can record using your voice by speaking on your phone. And you don't even need a microphone. You can choose from a variety of options. You can still do it and earn all of this money right away by reading. We only need to read all of the books and scripts they provide us with. We don't even need to write anything. We'd be interested in hearing from you. Now that you've watched this video, it's time to get back to work and start earning some money. I'll take you to the website and demonstrate how to sign up, get accepted and verified, find the best projects that will pay you the most money, and apply for jobs quickly. First and foremost, I want you to hover your mouse over the sign up button in the top right corner of the page. When you click on this, you'll see two options. In this instance, acquire employment as a talent and employ talent for your tasks. We'll choose the second option, enter our name, email address, phone number, and username. You can enter anything here, and we'll look for a job as a talent to read those words. You can access e-learning explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games after you log in. There are many categories to choose from, so right now I'm going to show you which categories have the most extreme jobs. All you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button, or you can just use your Google account. If you sign up for a free account, your dashboard will show you a variety of jobs. The first category you should choose is audiobooks. The second category, explainer videos, will pay you the second most amount of money, and the third category, video games, will pay you the third most amount of money. Therefore, I'm going to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because they're the top 3 categories. You can see the language section and see that they accept people who want to read online from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India. They still want to hire you no matter where you are. As an example, we're going to select audiobooks, which will open a new page with some examples of people working online from all over the world who are generating money at voices.com. They're both men and women from various nations right now. I'm going to show you some of the work options that are available once you log in. As you can see, there are a lot of professions that you can engage in. Let me scroll down. They'll keep refreshing this page every day so you can keep logging in and seeing which ones you prefer. As I previously stated, the most popular CNA job lasts at least 45 minutes. If you want to make more money, we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000. They will show you who the client is, their age, whether they are male or female, and some of the work duties they expect you to perform. They will give you the script for free, and all you have to do is read it out and record it using your phone, and you will be paid for it. If you download their apps from the Google Play Store or the App Store, you can get all of the scripts and templates they provide for free. It makes everything so simple that you can read them aloud if you want to. Both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store both offer this app Voices. Comey's a great place to begin. You may download this template for free and begin creating the logo right away. As you can see, even if you are from different parts of the world, there are many job opportunities for you. They will show you the client agreements as well as some of the projects that you can choose from. And that's a wrap on our video on how to make money online using your voice. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. The rise of voice technology and the gig economy has opened up new opportunities for people to make money using their voice. Whether you're a professional voice actor or just looking to make some extra cash, there are plenty of options available to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and online business. Keep using your voice to make a difference, and good luck on your online money-making journey.